So for the draw knife handles, I've got a drill bit that matches near enough, slightly smaller than the end of it. And then with a slightly thicker drill bit, I'll go in part way, and then I'll heat this up and press it on while it's still hot. There we go, so I've got my little hole there, and it tapers out to a bigger hole there. Let's do a quick test to see if I got that right. Right, so I took it off because it was like it was a little bit too hot. Let's try putting that back on again. And there you go, that one fitted really beautifully actually. And I saved those little washers for the ends. I'll just stick that on now. There we go. That's riveted over. Seat's lovely. That's not going to come off in a hurry. I'll do the other side. Quite as hot this time. Well, I am absolutely delighted with the way that turned out.